Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dilari from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about the poem I Made a New Password. This is of class 6. I Made a New Password is a poem written by Ken Nesbitt, in which he has described about a password which he has just newly made. Let's see what is the password and what is the problem with the password. How do you usually make a password? With letters, numbers and symbols. Here a boy made a perfect password and guessed what happened after that. As you know that we made the password with the help of letters, numbers or symbols. With this we used to make password for our security of our mobile phone, computer or laptop. Password is very useful to save our information and data. Here also a boy has made a password which is a perfect password, but after that what happened? Let's see in the poem. The beginning of the poem is I made a new password that no one could guess. It is long and confusing and truly a mess. It has random letters and numbers glory with dozens of symbols and space and more. In the third para, my password is perfect, completely secure, and no one will break it. Of that I am sure. It is flawless and foolproof. I don't have a doubt, but I forget it and now I am locked out. This is the poem. Let's see explanation with the line. First paragraph. I made a new password that no one could guess. Here, a boy said that he has made a new password which no one can guess what is the password. It means he has just newly made a password which no one can able to guess what is the password. It is long and confusing and truly a mess. Further, he said that his password is very long and it is also very confusing password. And it is truly mixture of lot of letters, alphabets, numbers and symbols. It is truly a mess. It is truly a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. And it is very long password and also it is a very confusing password. It means the first paragraph said that I, which is referred to the narrator said that he has made a new password which no one could guess. Here narrator said that he had made a new password which no one is able to guess because his password is very long and it is confusing and truly a mess password. Now let's see the next paragraph what he said. In the next paragraph, that is the second paragraph, he said it has random letters and number glory with dozens of symbols and space and more. Here further also in the second paragraph he described about his password. In the first paragraph as he has said that the password is very long and confusing and it is a truly mess. And also in the second paragraph he said that he has used random letters. He has used many random letters in this password, and also a number of glory. It means so many numbers are used to make the password. In that, there is also a dozens of symbols he has used to make the new password. With that, he has also given the space between the numbers or the letters. And there are many more things, as it is a symbols, space, number, alphabets, letters. So with the help of lot of letters, numbers, symbols and between space, he has made a long and confusing password, which is truly a mess password. Let's see the third paragraph. In the third paragraph, he said that my password is a perfect, completely secure, and no one will break it. Of that I am sure. He said that the password which he has made is a perfect password, and he is sure about that. It is completely secure his laptop, and no one will break it. Of that I am sure means the narrator is sure. Here the boy said that what the password he has made is a perfect password, and it is completely secure his laptop, and he has a confidence that no one will able to break it. As that I am sure means he was sure that his password what he has made is a completely perfect password, and it gives complete security, and he has a confidence. He was sure about that no one will able to break it means its password what he has made. He had made. The last line said, it's flawless and foolproof. I don't have a doubt. But wolf, I forget it, and now I am locked out. What happened here that he has made a long confusing password with the help of numbers of letters, symbols, alphabets and space, and he has a confidence that it was a completely secure password and no one will able to break it. But it was fearless means never failed, and foolproof that the password is never failed. I don't have a doubt. He has no doubt that his password will surely secure his laptop, and no one will able to search the password. But unfortunately, he forget the password, and now he was locked out from the password. He himself forget the password, and he is unable to unlock his laptop, and he was locked out of the laptop. In this way, I made a new password is a poem written by Ken Nesbitt, in which he described a boy has made a new password which no one is able to guess, and it was very long and confusing, which is a truly mess. He has used randoms of letter in that, and numbers of words, dozens of symbols, space. He has given a space between the symbols and letters, and many more things he has used to form the password. And after forming the password, he was sure that it was a completely secure password, and he sure that no one will break it. But unfortunately, what happened that he has forgotten the password, and he was locked out from the laptop. He has forgotten his password what he has made. I hope you have understood the poem. Now let's see the question answers of this poem. The first question is, work in pair to answer this question, discuss the answer in class. Here we shouldn't discuss, I will tell you what is the answer. First question is, which of these do you think could be a password the poet made? Here the option number A is correct, as we have studied in the poem that the password is very long and confusing, and also he has used a number of letters, alphabets, symbols and space between that. Here the password given in the first option, in which numbers are used, alphabets are used, symbols are also used. So I think this is a perfect password which the poet has made. So option number 1 will be correct. Now let's see question number 2, that is, which word from verse 3 describe the password? As we know that we use the password for our security of our laptop or mobile. So the word secure, which means cannot be broken, is a correct option for this question. Now question number B, answer this question. The question is, what is the problem with the password? As you know that the password is very long and confusing, so the problem with this password will be, the problem with the password is very long, confusing. It has lot of numbers, symbols and letters, which is difficult to remember. So the answer will be, the problem with the password is it was very long and confusing and it is difficult to remember it. I hope you have understood. Now question number 2 is, if you had to make a perfect password, what would your password be? This question all the student will do yourself, because you have to write your own password. So you make your own password and begin that my password will be, and you use your password whatever you want to write or whatever you want to make the password. Okay, but do not make such password which you forget. Use the password which you always remember. Question number 3, what if I forget it and now I am locked out? What is it? It, here in the question, it refers to the password which the poet has forgotten. Why did the poet forget it? Here the answer will be, the poet forget it because the password is very long and confusing and it is difficult to remember it, so he has forget it. It is very long and confusing, that's why he has forgotten it. I repeat my answer. What is it? So it is referred to password, and the second answer is, the poet forget it because it is a very long and confusing password. Now let's see question number C, that is, find the example of alteration in the poem. This you can do yourself, and I hope you have understood. Here the works are not. The question number D is, what are the words that rhyme in the poem? Give one more rhyme of each set. Let's see the poem. What are the rhyme? Here in the poem, the rhyming word is guess, mess. The word guess rhyme with mess. Galore rhyme with more. And in the third paragraph, secure rhyme with sure. And in the fourth, that is doubt match with out. So these are the rhyming word of this poem. So I hope you have understood. So thank you for the watching. Thanks.